SPM English Paper 2. SPM English Paper 2. Model question. Your school principal has given you a time slot to give a talk to encourage students of the school to join the English Language Society. Give your speech.
Model answer. Good morning, everyone. First, as president of the English Language Society, I would like to thank the principal, Mr. Alan Leong, for giving me this opportunity to talk about the benefits of joining our English Language Society. One of the advantages of joining this society is that we have a very dynamic teacher in charge, Miss Josephine Wong, and an enthusiastic committee who are all willing and keen to have fun, while you learn so many things. We're a friendly group of people and we love facing new challenges. As we hold various inter-school activities throughout the year, you will get to know more people and widen your circle of friends. Through participating in these activities, you will learn to communicate effectively with people of different races, ideas, and personalities. Another advantage is that we have many varied activities every year. Our meetings focus on intriguing talks on various aspects of English, sing-alongs, short drama sketches and other such sessions. Beyond the school, we interact with other organizations in the area. For instance, our storytelling sessions held in the Telecanton Public Library every other Saturday are very popular with the young children who flock there to hear us. They enjoy our tales and have their own favorite storytellers, while we learn to create our own stories, dramatize them vividly, improve our vocal variety and enhance our body language.
Of course, we are all rather busy students, so some of you might prefer something less time-consuming. Well, we also have impromptu speech competitions from time to time to gauge how fast you can think on your feet. Miss Wong can teach you how to speak on any topic under the sun, and to help you express yourself quickly with humor and style. Imagine having titles like walls or blankets and having to speak on these unlikely subjects for 2 minutes. I tell you, it helps bring out the creative side in anyone and provokes a lot of laughter.
For those of you who prefer more serious activities, we also have debates to enhance your level of thinking and reasoning and to enable you to voice your opinion clearly and relevantly to the public. I am happy to say that, under Miss Wong's guidance, we have emerged state champions for debating 2 years in a row. All these English language activities will definitely improve your proficiency. English is an important global language, and being able to converse well in it is an asset that all employers look for in their employees. If you join the ELS, your spoken English will improve by leaps and bounds. I hope by now you are convinced that the ELS is an exciting, yet educational society to join. We hold meetings every other Monday from 4:00 to 5:30 p.m. Our subscriptions are only Rm2 a month. So, what more could you ask for? Join us without delay.
Vocabulary. Dynamic, lively. Dynamic, lively. Vocabulary. Intriguing talks, fascinating. Intriguing talks, fascinating. Vocabulary. Varied activities. Many different likely to arouse interest activities. Varied activities. Many different likely to arouse interest activities. Vocabulary. Provokes, creates. Provokes, creates.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.